So today, my challenge for you is, I want you, ayun, I invited a driving instructor, Miss Joy,
Totoo ba?
para safe tayo. So she will teach you the very basics lang of how to drive.
Kind of like it. This is not good. Kasi van lang ako eh.
You know, driving is therapeutic.
I don't think it's
I
therapeutic.
think it's therapeutic.
Sis, pag may
Lalo
daga
na pag-
talaga o
lalo na
ano.
pag long drives.
Pag may daga at pusa talaga, ma-aksidente
Kaya
tayo.
naman pagdaga.
Ayoko makapatay na daga.
Okay, slow down na po.
Oh,
Sorry po.
So when you press the brake slowly,
Slowly.
lang.
Okay. Meron bang paano dito?
Meron, pero kaya ba niyo mag...
Kaya ko.
Sige, sige.
U-turn?
Yeah.
Okay, slow down. Okay, then. So,
So, we're gonna ask... Oh, sorry.
sige.
Baka may pusa.
Street lang. See? You did it! Kahit pinapaus-pawisa ka na ng konti.